Hi everyone, welcome to Kuchetis Tech. Today we know about more about functional interface rules and conditions. Already we knew that functional interface means we learned right 2 points. It should have only one abstract method and it should be annotated with at the rate of functional interface. Already we knew that 2 points. Additional to that, we need to know more points about functional interface. So let's see. So functional interface means an interface contains only one abstract method and which annotated with at the rate of functional interface. Already we knew this point, right? And second point, basically functional interface at the rate of functional interface annotation checks. It checks at compilation time only that particular rules it is following or not. So at compilation time, it checks it has only one abstract method or not. Okay, more than one abstract method means it throw exception. Even one abstract method not there also, it throw the exception. So that is the at compilation time only functional interface annotation checks a functional interface maintain one abstract method or not. Okay. Afterwards, functional interface rules. What are they? Let's check. So rule one. Rule one is a functional interface can contain only one abstract method, but more than static and default methods it can have. Come again. A functional interface should contain only one abstract method, but more than one default methods and static methods. So as of now, we remember this point. Okay. Later onwards, right? In further classes, we will know why default methods introduced in Java 8 and static methods, why they came. Later on, right? We know that. Okay. So example, right? This is an example. So a functional interface I1, public void F1 is the abstract method. One default method we took and one static method we took. Okay. And so a question, right? If functional interface have more than one abstract method, what is the issue? What is the issue? Let's check. The functional interface contains more than one abstract method. So let's create a functional interface and we'll take more than one abstract method. Public void M1 and again I'm taking public void M2. So I'm taking right two abstract methods. Okay. I took public interface, right? Let me save this file as I1 only. Okay, let me compile it. Java C I1.java. Maybe it's not saved. Okay, let me save it again. So I'm trying to save with I1.java. Save. I1 already existed. You want? Yes, I want to replace it. Replace. Save. Again run it. Yeah. What it is telling? Unexpected functional interface annotation. I1 is not a functional interface. Multiple non-overriding abstract method found in interface I1. Okay. So there are multiple non-overriding abstract methods are there. So the question is, if functional interface more than one abstract method, what is the issue? Then we will get right. We'll get compile time exception. Unexpected at the rate of functional interface annotation. I1 is a I1 is not a functional interface. Multiple non-overriding abstract methods present in interface I1. Okay. Already we've seen that, right? So another, if functional interface does not have at least one abstract method, okay, then what is the issue? Let's check. I'll remove all abstract methods. See now, unexpected functional interface annotation. I1 is not a functional interface. Why? Because no abstract method found in interface I1. See, at least one abstract method should be available, right, in functional interface. But here no abstract method is available. So that is the issue, right? So let's, here also we'll get compile time exception. Unexpected functional interface annotation. I1 is not a functional interface. No abstract method found in interface I1. So this is the issue. So should not have more than one abstract method. At least should have only one abstract method. That is the thing about the main rules of the functional interface. So still now what points we covered? A functional interface should have one abstract method and it should be annotated with functional interface annotation. And second point, functional interface can contain more than one static methods and more than one default methods too. Okay. So as of now, these points covered about functional interface. Let's see. So now let's check with respect to inheritance, functional interface rules and conditions with respect to inheritance, how they behave. So first point, parent functional interface have abstract method boss. Okay. So if parent functional interface having abstract method, then that child, right? Child functional interface, that abstract method we need to override. I mean, we need to write in child interface or not. So for this, it is optional. So writing that abstract method in child functional interface is optional. Why? Because automatically it's available in functional interface. So writing also okay. We can write whatever functional interface abstract method, parent functional interface abstract method in child class. We can write or no need to write. Writing also okay, not writing also okay. Anything is okay. So by default, if you're not writing, it is available. If you're writing, okay. Okay. Anything is okay. So example one, functional interface void M1. So I2 is extending I1. Okay. So it is okay, not an issue. Okay. So let's check this example. So let's see, right? Let's public void M1. Let's think it has interface I1 have one abstract method. So let's create I2. it is extends interface and interface between inheritance relation. We should use extends, right? Already you know. I1. Okay. Now I2 dot Java. Okay. Now how can we know this? We cannot execute, but whenever we are compiling both of the I1.java and I2.java, if you won't get any compile time exceptions, then it's not an issue. Okay. First, let me compile I1.java. Compile. Let me compile I22.java. I2.java. Not an issue. Okay. So we can write. So write in other, right? I told, right? There are we can write or not write. So what this M1 method also we can write here. Okay. It's valid. So same example to same thing. I'm writing in a child interface. So this is the one. So in child parent functional interface having M1 abstract method. So in child interface, same abstract method I'm writing. It is valid or not? Let's check. So this same M1 method, this same M1 method I'm putting in what? I thought to remove, right? Actually, yeah. Let's remove us. I copy pasted. Okay, previous one. Exact copy and pasted. Let's check. I1 already compiled. I2 need to compile. Compile, not an issue. So already it's compiled, right? Overriding also optional. Okay, got it right. Anything overriding, I mean, in the case of inheritance, with respect to interfaces. So overriding or not overriding is optional. Anything is okay. Okay, boss. So both are compiling. So not an issue. Okay. This is second point, right? First point only 2 examples is valid. So next point, right? So already parent function interface have one abstract method. Then child functional interface should not have different abstract method. See, boss. Parent functional interface have an abstract method. Then child interface, if it is having different abstract method, how it is possible? By default, right? Whatever abstract method is there in parent interface, that abstract method will be available in child functional interface, right? Then why to write different abstract method? It is different, right? So it's invalid, right? So example 3, a interface I1 is there, I2 is extending I1. So here I am writing M2. So it is invalid. Let's check this also then. Now we should get a compile time exception, boss. I think I1 already ready. I2 raw. See, multiple non-overriding abstract methods. So it's invalid. Okay. It is role 2. Next. So if child interface not a functional interface. So child interface is not a function. It is normal interface. But this child interface what? Extending parent functional interface. Then in child interface should have only one abstract method or many abstract methods? Think it can have many abstract method. Whenever it is not functional interface, why to follow the rules, boss? We can write how many we want. So even parent functional interface, that method also we can use. Okay. So here I1 is the functional interface, I2 is normal interface. So I can write many methods. So let's check this also. It is not, I2 is not a functional interface. It is simple interface. It is extending. It is extending what? I1. Okay, I1 contains M1 method, right? So I will take more than one method, more than one abstract methods. M2 and M3. Now let's execute I2. It will be compiled successfully, not an issue. Okay, so valid. Okay, this is about functional interface rules, boss. So if you have any doubts, you can comment and you can share and you can write like my videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching Kuchetis Tech. Thank you. Bye.